Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. So, I'm Arjun Francis Cayon, and this afternoon I'm going to demonstrate or to show you the insertion of catheter followed by care of catheter and removal of catheter. So, the indication is to release retention of the urine and to with a patient who has enlargement prostate and accurate measurement of the urine output and bladder irrigation, moving the blood clots and the debris. So we have 4 types of catheter. So first is the intermittent catheter, then followed by the indwelling catheter, and then condom catheter, and suprapubic catheter. So before we proceed to the procedure, so we should make sure to read the chart and gather all the data, and then you may proceed to the room of the patient. So knock the door first. Hello sir, good afternoon. I'm Arjun Francis Cayon, and I am your caregiver from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So what is your name, sir?
Mr. Cruz,
So Mr. Cruz, when is your birthday?
September 4.
And then secretly, check the wrist tag. Okay sir, I'm here to insert the catheter by the doctor's order. Is it okay to you sir that I'm going to leave first to prepare the materials before we proceed to the procedure? Is it okay to you sir? Okay sir. Check the vital signs, and then before you leave, check the vital signs, and then the vital signs good. So raise the side rail, and then lock. So proceed to the nursing station, prepare all the materials. So we have here the 2 kidney kitchen, the water, the Euro bag, the catheter tube, sterile gloves, sterile water, syringe, cotton balls, betadine, forceps, and KY jelly. So we should check all the integrity, each packaging, check the expiration date, any discoloration, and any insect bite. So after that, wear a proper PPE, wear a new set of gloves, and then go back to the room of the patient. So knock again. Hello sir, I'm back. So before we proceed to the procedure, do you want to defecate sir or urinate?
No.
Okay sir, so let's start with the procedure. So first, pull the top sheet to the foot part of the patient. Then abduct the legs. Then put the incontinent pad in between of the legs. To avoid soiling the urine. And then put a towel. The hands, the abdomen. Then put a towel to avoid touching his face. Then after that, get the materials on the tray. Put it here. Then insert the Eurobag to catheter tube. So I already checked the integrity of this mount before I enter in the room. So insert the Eurobag to catheter tube.
Asan yung mag-insert? Which part of the catheter?
Okay. So this is the catheter tube. So the part of catheter tube is the balloon drainage, urine drainage, then the balloon port, the catheter, then the balloon, and then the bladder opening.
Okay.
So we will insert the urobag to urine drainage port. Then open the urethral area of the patient. So get at least 3 cotton balls to the stereo kidney basin using the forceps. Then we have also here the waste receptacle. And then soak with betadine. So if the patient is not uncircumcised, so you can distract penis to clean. So hold it, 90-degree angle. Urethra, corona, gland penis, shaft, scrotum. Then, after that, get the syringe and the clear water. So make sure the level should be front of you. Then, aspirate air. This 5 to 15 cc. Then, puncture. Introduce air. Then, aspirate clear water 5 to 15 cc. Then, set aside.
Saan ka nga daan sa bayan?
So use forceps to detach. Then set aside.
Connect na. Connect to the balloon port.
Ay, calling sa diretso nga.
Oo, connect na. Para di
Okay.
ka mag-insulin.
Okay. So now you can connect to the balloon port. Introduce the clear water.
No. Nakabutang ka pero ayaw inflate.
Ah, okay.
Oo, nakabitay lang sa daan.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero ayaw sa inflate. Later on, para pas pag-inflate mo.
Ah,
O
okay.
naka-insert na ka.
So attach to the balloon port. And then after that, remove the gloves to gloves. Skin, skin to skin. Then then now wash.
Mag-serve ka o
Okay.
catheter man na. Ikaw serve ka catheter.
So get the care gloves, find the plug. So start. So
Man-sanitize ka. Doon
yes ma'am. Do the steer gloves technique. So this is my non-dominant hand. So I will insert first and then hold the outside part of the steer gloves.
outside.
Explore. Yan, pwede naman i-fix on yung no? So, next is to my dominant hand. So gloves to gloves.
Para po mapal sa KY.
Insert.
KY jelly para po.
Export. So
Sir, the catheter.
this one you can use this.
Sa inner part. Ayun,
Ah,
sa dulo.
you can use this to add sterile sterile sterile.
Okay, catheter. Normal.
Then now get the catheter.
Kayo pagtas ko.
So at least 5 to 7 inches. So add KY jelly. Okay. So add amount of KY jelly. So hold the penis 90 degree. Then advise the patient to breathe from his mouth and then insert the catheter slowly and gently.
Okay, breathe through your mouth, sir.
Breathe from your mouth, sir.
Hello. Please, welcome.
Then after that, inflate the balloon.
Yung mga tanong ko.
Slowly. Then release. Then slowly pull the catheter. So if there's any resistance, you can slowly push back to avoid obstruction of the opening of the urine bladder. So now get a plaster to anchor. Remove the sterile gloves. So
Gloves to gloves, into skin.
gloves to gloves, skin to skin. Then proper hand washing and sanitize. So get the plaster to anchor.
Isa man yung body, ma'am.
Yan is si Halo. Was mineral food.
So, part yung, yeah. So, kung mag-medical mission ang mga bata, pwede naman ang kanya mas wala sila ng may only organ. Yung lyrics mo, so kung libre mo,
And reinforce.
mayo, ito mo ha. Kaya sila, nasa sila sa traditional high school, doon sila tapos ang medical mission. So, ano tayo, ang bibinol, iba naman. Tapos, so,
And now put the Eurobag side of the bed to secure. Now remove the materials.
Third step na may parga elementary school. So, dito na lang sa Mandalay. So, between 9 to 10 kami sa o at mga sa parga elementary school. Sa kilid sa Aniko, kung kami sa o na dito. Meron may between Aniko o Palawan. So, yeah, may tindahan sa gawas, may water dispenser for marina. Ano yung documentation ba, please?
Yes, ma'am.
So, dito mo, tumulong na
For the documentation, write it down the date and the time, the who did the procedure and the who assisted the procedure, the vital signs of the patient, and then the reaction of the patient, the French number. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then the number of CC mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
Number of cc,
Number of
heated
cc.
the balloon on it. Okay, very important, very good. Vital signs before and after the procedure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
In the following day, so go back to the room of the patient, knock the door. Hello, sir. Good morning. I'm Andres Francis Carayon, so your caregiver. So I'm here to clean your catheter as by the doctor's order. So after that, do the 12 sequence. Then put the top sheet to the foot part of the patient. Then abduct the legs. Then put a sustained pad in between of the legs to avoid soiling the linen. Hand to the abdomen. Cover. Towel. And also here, put the towel. Then get the material.
Pag dito ka ang low sa bed.
K-N-E-A.
In-E-A.
K-N-E. Kaya A.
So,
Pag dito.
I have here the materials, the forceps, the kidney basin, cotton balls, the betadine, and then prepare the cotton balls with betadine.
So before you do the stereogravity technique, you should have prepared everything, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Then get one cotton balls. The pan ma'am katong stereo gloves. So ako pang i-perform na to ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
I
So
already changed.
I already changed my new set of stereo glove. So now I'm going to clean. So get cotton balls with betadine from your hand. Using your hand, and then transfer it to another hand. Then put the one cotton ball with betadine to the insertion site to avoid pulling the catheter, and then another one to clean the catheter tube at least 2 to 3 times in circular motion. And start, and then you can do it at least 3 times. Then after that, remove the materials. Then fix the bed. And then do the documentation. So the date of time, the date and time, the vital sign, the who did the procedure, who assisted, and then the condition of the patient. After 3 days, the doctors ordered to remove the catheter of the patient. So wear a PPE, new set of gloves, and then knock the door. Hello sir, I'm back. Again, I'm Alvin Francis Cayon, your caregiver from 9 to 4 p.m. So, I'm here to remove the catheter after the doctor's order. So, before we proceed to the procedure, so do the 12 sequence, and then after that, put the substick towards the foot of the patient. Pulling down the top sheet, so check the Eurobat, is it full? Then get a empty calibrated bottle to drain. Then after that, I instruct the patient to remove the catheter. So, sir, I'm going to remove your catheter. So, get a cotton ball with a soap of water to moisten the plaster. Start. Then slowly remove the plaster. So, put the plastic in between of the legs of the patient.
I-pull na mo ang table niya. You just pull the table niya dyan pa rin yun.
Okay, ma'am?
Oh, pull the table. Pull the table. Para ka mag-isip ka sa support. Ayan. Accessibility niyo. You feel comfortable.
Okay, ma'am. So, get the syringe to disinflate one, no?
Deflate.
Deflate the
So,
balloon.
nakanta naman yung mga plaster, no?
Yes, ma'am. Kumana.
Deflate na.
Okay. Deflate the balloon. So the number of the cc should be equal. So discard na ni ma'am.
Yeah.
Discard, and then instruct the patient to breathe from to his mouth. So sir, I'm going to remove breath from your mouth. Then pull slowly.
And start to get your gun.
Then discard together with the Eurobag.
Yeah, pag mo dito nimo, naman mo na siya psychological effect, makita sa tao ito, ikan sa ilawas, yung anak nimo, it will affect them. So, ang imong strategy, anak pinanganak.
Paana, di nila makita.
Oo, dili tayo anak.
Okay.
Ano yung psychological effect?
Murag mahadlok sila.
Maadlok sila niya. Basta lahi ang feeling. Tapos, kuha na ang kuhan. Di ka titreck atong di, apirahan ka di man, no? Wala.
Sa Peter.
Oo.
Sa Peter.
So,
Ay, wala din ma'am. Wala. Wala.
Use your gloves.
Kaya diaper.
Pas-pas naman to yung...
No, dali naman ito ma'am. So, including the gloves.
Actually, in my observation karon gina-minimize na nila magkatiter ang pasyente. Appendectomy gali, during my student time, every time na procedure maski minor, ginakatiter nila. Pero lately, gina-minimize nila ang catheterization because of infection. UTI.
Naka-UTI na naman mo.
Oo, during heart catheterization.
So-
Kasi foreign body magulat siya. Okay.
Get a cotton ball.
So how do you clean it? Of course, you're wearing clean gloves now.
Yes. So, wash hands, sanitize, and then wear a new set of gloves to clean
How do you hold that cotton balls with betadine when you're going to clean?
using the forceps ma'am.
Yes, forceps.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Okay.
clean na the urethra.
Get cotton balls with that betadine using the forceps. Then hold the penis 90-degree angle. So, urethra, gland penis, corona, shaft, scrotum. Start. So you can do it at least 3 times. Urethra, gland penis, corona, shaft,